Hello everyone, welcome back to CS Lectalks YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to explain the Java practical programs of third semester Computer Science and Engineering branch of sctevt. So let's move to the first program. The first program says, write a Java program to print hello on the screen and then print your name on a separate line. So let's move to the command prompt and I'll write the programs in Notepad and I'll execute these programs using command prompt. Okay. So now move to the command prompt. So cmd, I have to search the cmd and enter. So after that, I would like to make it to C drive. So the command prompt shows now will show all the directories of C drive. Here you can see the number of folders. Directories means the number of folders that are inside the C drive and their date of creation and date and time of creation, everything is mentioned. Okay. So because we have already installed Java software or JDK software inside this C drive, that's why we are watching this directory of C drive. So now I will create a folder inside this C drive with the name of Java Lab, and we will write the program inside that folder and execute it within the command prompt and see the output. Let's create a folder. To create a folder, I'm giving a command md Java Lab. So Java Lab folder has been created. So let's see whether Java Lab has been created or not. Here you can see Java Lab folder has been created the 5th October 2022. Time is 3:40 p.m. Okay. So now let's clear the screen. So cd/java lab. Okay. We have entered into this folder. Now I will write a program in Notepad within this folder, and we can compile and execute the program in command prompt. So let's move to Notepad. Okay, inside the Notepad, I'm writing a program. Put dot land dot semicolon. So I have increased the size. Plus Experiment-1, opening curly bracket, closing curly bracket. Within this class, I will write the main function. The main function is written like this: public static in bracket string args bracket closing curly bracket. So within this opening and closing curly bracket, we will define whatever we want to write. So I'm writing system.out. Line is written to print a statement within the output screen. So I am writing hello, then semicolon. Again, I want to print the name of any person. System.out dot println within bracket double quotation. Let me write Java. Right. parenthesis end, semicolon. So now our program is complete. Let's save it. So save as, you can move to file and click on save as, or otherwise directly Control S you can use. So I'm writing on the name as expt1 dot java, because I have to write, give the file name as the class name. The class name is expt1, that means experiment1. Similarly, I have to give the file name as experiment1 dot java. Save. So it has been saved. So now I will move to where it has been saved. I have not seen it. So once again, I am save as experiment1 dot java. Yes, it is saved within the Java lab. Here you can see it is saved within the Java lab, OS Java lab. Okay, so yes, now we are confirmed. Let's move to okay. So Java C space tab, Java C space tab, Java C for Java compiling of Java program. And if you press tab, automatically that program name will come. Now enter. If the program is, if there is some error, it will show. Otherwise, it will not show any error. Package java.lang does not exist. What is the problem? Let's move to the program. Here Java has been written in capital letter. That's why it was showing error, because it is case sensitive. Now let's move to Java C space. Okay, that means compilation has already completed. Now you see uh, directory. Here you see two directories. One is experiment1.java. It has been created, and after compilation, after Java C experiment.1.java, it means it will compile this program. After compilation, the bytecode format has been created. That is experiment1.class. Okay. So now you can see two files inside this program, inside this file. We can also see it. Uh, we can also see it in this folder. Here Java lab, you can see experiment1, another is experiment1.class. Okay, now let's move to this command prompt and execute the program. For executing the program, you have to write Java space, only the name, experiment1, not .java. So this will give us the output. Yes, you can see the output. The output is hello dot hello, and the second line is Java. First line prints hello, second line prints Java. Okay, let me clear the screen. Once again, Java C space tab experiment1.java. It will execute it, and let's see the output. Java space experiment1 hello Java. It means our program is successfully executed. So now I would like to show you the directory of this file. Here you see two files have been created, experiment1.java and another is experiment1.class. So now let's see type of these files. Type experiment.java, experiment1.java. So if you write this command, then it will show the complete program written in the Notepad, complete program. And if we will write the type of experiment1.class, that means this is the bytecode, and what it will see. So let's see. Here you can see this is showing the bytecode format. This cannot be understood by anybody because this is the bytecode format of Java. Okay, so this is the source code, and This is the source code, and here this is the bytecode. Okay, this is the bytecode. So in this way, we can write any program using Notepad and command prompt in Java. So if you like this video, then subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.